Ooh, 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 girl, girl, girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look we're doing today. And never mind my eye bags. Look, you know what it is. Pretty much in all my videos I have eye bags, but I did what I could to cover them. Now I'm on the lookout for a new concealer that doesn't crease as much as my Makeup Revolution. Like, I have good days and I have bad days, but my skin is just so dry. I'm drinking my water, but my skin is just, it's just dry. And I always crease under my eyes. That's why I always try to have some sort of eyeshadow under my eye to kind of detract from it. But if you guys notice, I still have creasing. So I do put on my Makeup Revolution concealer, and then I put on my Estee Lauder Double Wear, or not Double Wear, my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, just to moisturize my eyes a little bit so, you know, it doesn't look super dry. But for some reason, it still creases. It doesn't move. It just creases. So I'm not sure what to do about that. So if you have any kind of suggestions on concealers that I should use, leave them down below in the comment section, because your girl needs some help. But anyway, this is the look we're doing today, and we are using the pizza palette from Glamlight. She just recently came out with the burger palette too, but this is the OG right here. And I've done a couple of looks using this palette. Most of them have been smoky eyes, but I wanted to do something different today. So I did use 3 shades out of this palette. I used ham, garlic, and prosciutto. I wanted to use red onions, but red onions is a shimmery shade and not a matte purple. So I ended up using my little Makeup Forever palette that I bought from Sephora, and it's got a matte purple in it and a matte pink. So I used a combination of those eyeshadows to create this springy matte look. And this is an all matte eye, and I love how it turned out. Most of the time you see a lot of sparkle and stuff during the spring and summer months, but I definitely wanted to have it matte with a whole lot of glowy skin. And I think I achieved that. So if you guys want to know how to get this eye look, then keep on watching.
So I'm first taking prosciutto from the pizza palette, and it's a matte pink, and I'm building it up on my outer corner. Now I had to build this color up a lot because it wasn't very opaque, so I'm just taking a dense dome brush and patting the eyeshadow where I want it to be the most pigmented. And now I'm taking a blending brush and a little bit of that prosciutto shade and blending it into my crease very lightly. But like I said, if you decide to recreate this look and use the same palette, you're definitely going to have to spend some time building up this shade. Next, I'm using this Makeup Forever shadow, the matte purple. I'll leave the number of it down below in the description box because I don't know what it is off the top of my head. But I'm using the same brush that I used to apply prosciutto in my outer corner to apply this purple shade. And then I'm just switching back and forth between the prosciutto and this purple shade to get the blend I want on my outer corner. And the goal was not to use any black in this look, so I'm using the purple to deepen up this eye look. And then once again going back in with that blending brush just to continue to bring prosciutto into my crease. For my transition color, I'm using Ham, which is another shade of pink, and it's also matte, and I'm lightly blending that into my crease. I'm using it to blend out that prosciutto color so that there is a gradient from a darker purple to a pink to a lighter pink. And I'm bringing that color from my outer corner all the way into my inner corner next to my nose, so it's going to help contour my nose. And then to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow, I'm using the shade Garlic on a very big fluffy brush. And I'm also going to be using Garlic to put that white shade on my inner corner like you can see on my other eye, but that's going to be right after this one. Yep. So here I'm applying my concealer, and I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C6. When I was filming this tutorial, I was only using Makeup Revolution concealers. I now use the Born This Way Sculpt Concealer. I think I like it. I'm still testing it out. I'm not sure, but it's definitely helping my under eye situation. I will say that. So I'm just placing a thin layer of concealer to cut my crease halfway, and I'm just making sure that both sides are even. And then I'm going to be using that prosciutto shade as a transition color between the purple and the white. So I'm just patting that right there in the center of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with garlic and set that concealer. And that's going to give the white to pink to purple gradient on my eyelid. After setting that concealer with the shade Garlic, I did go back in with the other eyeshadows just to perfect this look. And you'll see me going back and forth with all the different colors. And then I used the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner to do my wing. And then on my bottom lash line, I just went in with the matte purple shade right underneath my lashes. And then I used the shade Prosciutto and Ham to blend it out. So I'm telling you because I didn't put that clip in this video for some reason. Don't ask me why. I guess I lost it. But yep, that's pretty much the final look.
So this is what the eyes are looking like, and they are super pretty. So for my eyelashes, because these are my natural lashes, I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara Primer, the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and then to give them a purple tint, I used Makeup Shayla and Maybelline's Colossal Big Shot in, it's like Poppin' Purple, I think. It's the purple one. Alright, so this is the final look. And of course I wanted it to be super glowy. I have on a lot of bronzer. I didn't put any contour on. I just cut my cheek with some baby powder to give it my cheek that definition. And if you're curious about the highlighter I'm wearing, this is an OG Artist Couture highlighter, loose highlighter in Illuminati. I got this with the Jackie Aina LeBron's pack. Is like you got a full size of LeBron's and then you got 3 little minis. This is the only one I have left because yeah, the other ones were bomb. I did have to give away the LeBron's because I was a little too pale for it. Now it worked in the summer months, but in the winter, which is, I'm in Michigan, so a majority of the time it's not really like swimsuit weather, it wasn't working for my skin, so I did give it away to one of my tanner friends. But yeah, I kept Illuminati because this shit is bomb. And if you're curious what is on my lips, I'm wearing a Rimmel lip liner in the shade Tiramisu, and I can't even find it right now. It's a Maybelline matte lipstick. Oh, here it is. Maybelline matte lipstick in Purely Nude. I wanted to have concealer lips, honestly, but I didn't realize how pigmented the lip liner would be up underneath the lipstick, but it still looks good. And then I put Soap and Glory Sexy Mutherpucker on top, which kind of gave it more of a peach look. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, what did I just say? If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next video.